Hi, I'm Michele. Come and join me in the kitchen and we'll cook some food and sing some songs and have a wonderful time. Today we're going to talk about maple syrup. In fact, we're dedicating the entire episode to the making of maple syrup, something truly Canadian, which I love and adore.
I don't care how big your belly is. I don't care if all your grammar's wrong. It don't make no difference if your beard has gone to frizz. I just want to love you in this song.
So I decided a few years ago that I'd like to make my own maple syrup because as a child I loved going to sugar bushes. When my children were small, I loved bringing them to sugar bushes. First thing we need is a drill. I went out to drill holes in the tree with my daughter and I kept drilling, and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't going in. My son said, "Mom, you have to push it in the right direction." That's the drill in button, and then to get the bit out, that's the drill out button. So now you know how to use a drill. Who thought you'd learn to use a drill in a music video?
Our nation's economy. You can build a deck or work a snow blower, and you know how to tap a maple tree.
Anyway, once you have the drill in the hole in the tree, we put the spigot in. This is a spigot. Isn't it beautiful? And you get them at your local co-op/hardware store. In the country, you call it a co-op. And the minute you start drilling, the sap comes out.
Watch an entire hockey game in a freezing cold arena with only a t-shirt on.
Anyway, then we get a bucket and we put the bucket on the spigot and it drips into the bucket and we collect the sap. And once we've collected enough sap, we put it in a bigger pot and then you start the boiling. And we want to keep the sap at a consistent temperature right about to boil. You let it boil for about 12 hours, just at that temperature. And the ratio is 40-1. So if your pot is this big, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 35, 20, 29, 20, 40, you'll have this much maple syrup. Yay! But it's so worth it.
'Cause you're my Canadian man. It's your natural heart I see.
Now we're at the final stage of the maple syrup, which is straining it through cheesecloth. I love maple syrup. It's so important to me. It's so important that I used it in my lyrics for my song Canadian Man, which you hear in the background, which is one of my favorite songs because I love to write about all things Canadian.
For me.
I don't have white wine in the fridge, but I have pink champagne from the other day. And it matches my lipstick. So we're going to put that in instead. I'm going to use my grandmother's ladle. Oh, look how they've turned blue.